Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your alarm sound on your Android device. So whether it's an Android, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, doesn't really matter. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do on your home screen is just swipe up and select the setting gear icon. And then you want to select sound and vibration. Go down to where it says default alarm sound and select that. And then you can select from a different sound category that they offer here. You may also want to select My Sound, and you can upload a sound directly from your Google Drive account by selecting the little plus button in the bottom right, and then you can add it to your phone. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.